Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to make your online experience smoother and more enjoyable. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an account on an e-commerce platform so you can start buying and selling in no time. Whether you're looking to declutter your home by selling some items or you're on the hunt for great deals, having an account is the first step. Let's dive right into it. Creating an account is a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through each step to ensure you don't miss anything. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the e-commerce website of your choice. There are many platforms out there, so choose one that best suits your needs. For this example, I'll be using a popular site called Shoppies. It's user-friendly and has a wide range of products and services. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign up or register button. This is your gateway to becoming a member of the platform. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Got it? Great. This is where the fun begins. Click on that button. This will take you to the registration page where you'll start entering your details. Now you'll be taken to the registration page. Here you'll need to fill out some basic information to get started. Here you'll need to fill out some basic information. This is essential for setting up your account and ensuring you can recover it if needed. Start by entering your full name. This helps personalize your account and makes it easier for others to recognize you. Then, type in your email address. Make sure it's one you check often. This is crucial for communication and account recovery. Make sure it's one you check often. You'll receive important notifications and updates here. Next, create a strong password. A good password is at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This ensures your account is secure from unauthorized access. A good password is at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This combination makes it harder for others to guess your password. Once you have your password, go ahead and confirm it by typing it again in the next box. This step ensures there are no typos in your password. Alright, now there might be a few more fields to fill out, like your phone number or address. These details help in verifying your identity and ensuring smooth transactions. This varies depending on the platform, but it's usually straightforward. Just follow the prompts and fill in the necessary information. Take your time and make sure everything is accurate. Double-checking your information can save you from potential issues later on. Once you've filled in all the required information, look for the Submit or Create Account button. This is the final step in the registration process. Give it a click. Congratulations, you're almost there. Now, some platforms might ask you to verify your email address. This is an important security step to ensure your account is protected. If that's the case, head over to your email inbox and look for a message from the e-commerce platform's account. It should arrive within a few minutes. Open it up and click on the verification link inside. This confirms that you own the email address and completes the registration process. This step is crucial to ensure your account is secure. Without verification, you might not be able to access all features of the platform. After verifying your email, head back to the e-commerce site and log in with your new credentials. You're in. Welcome to the community. From here, you can start setting up your profile. This is your chance to make a great first impression. Add a profile picture, write a brief bio, and link any other necessary information. A complete profile builds trust with other users. This will help buyers or sellers know more about you. The more information you provide, the more credible you appear. If you're planning to sell, navigate to the seller section of the website. This is where you can manage your listings and track your sales. Follow the prompts to set up your seller account, including adding your payment information and listing your first product. Make sure your payment details are accurate to avoid any issues with transactions. And there you have it. You've successfully created an account on an e-commerce platform and are ready to start buying or selling. It's that simple. You've successfully created an account on an e-commerce platform and are ready to start buying or selling. Dive in and explore the endless possibilities. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thanks for watching and happy shopping. See you in the next video.